Okay, here's the progress of our garden. I think that's dill and what is that over there in the corner right there?
Oh, that's parsley.
Parsley. This is dill here, I think.
Right.
And here we got lettuce coming up, Swiss chard, some beets, and some collard greens. Okay, this is some lemon balm that we planted in a pot. Over here we have some beets that are coming up. Some kale, some green peppers, green beans over there. Pickling cucumbers, broccoli, lettuce. Not sure what that is. I think it's more broccoli, and some head cabbage, some onions, and these are called early cabbage, along with some flowers. Here we have some, I believe that's basil. And over here we've got a voluntary tomato plant coming up, but we've got some green beans here. And this here is spinach. All this big stuff, it just took over, it just took off. Most of this was planted a week before Memorial Day. And some celery, head lettuce, some okra, which is not doing real well, but it should do better as it gets hot. And over here we have our yellow peppers and bush squash, I believe. We're trying that for the first time this year. And these are flowers, I'm not sure what they are. And this looks like it says some kind of herb. Basil. That looks like a weed in there with it though. And there's some more lettuce over there. And some more basil, looks like. So that's what we got here so far. It's looking good. And as we come around this way, we have a big bush of mint there. And some chives here. And some bee balm here. Looks like chamomile. And that's a huge daisy plant. And over here we planted two raspberry bushes, I think they are. Blueberry bushes. Someone said we had some blueberries on there. I don't see them though. But anyway. And we got some more basil, some tomato plants, some more parsley. This is kind of our catch-all bed over here where we're getting things going. And probably going to put some more stuff in there because we got space left. Over here we got tomatoes, basil. Here are our different variety of hot peppers, sweet banana peppers, habanero pepper, and I'm not sure what that little stuff is in the middle. The wife planted that. And that looks like a sereno. No, this looks like a jalapenos there maybe. And then we've got some squash plant here, some tomatoes, parsley, another tomato plant. And you see we got this wiring here for the beans, for the tomatoes to grow up against. And we're going to add a second section over here on that end. And then I think we're going to have beans on the other side coming up, tomatoes on the first side. And that is it in a nutshell so far. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 raised beds, and then we got this makeshift raised bed here that we're going to put some potatoes in just to see how they do this year. And that's it for the Jaberg Family Garden.